Hi everyone, today Sunday 19, January 19. I just arrived Scoreboards Hotel. Now 1:25. I want to find seats not so far. And this video is not full because I have flight. That's why I will only show video half. But I will show all girls who today in the Scoreboards. Thank you in advance for watching. I found already a table here, very close.
Ladies and gentlemen, this swimsuit competition is a bid skating, meaning the more bids that they get, the better chances of their winning. You can buy your bids and give it to your favorite candidates from all the girls that are wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strand of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Heard that right, gentlemen? This combinations in the beat they get, the more chances of their winning. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, 11 of the most beautiful. They get, the more chances of their winning. You can buy some beers from all the girls that are wearing red shirts that are roaming around the area. Open on Tuesday to Sunday. Gentlemen, party started exactly 6 p.m. all quarters. Located in the Fields Walking Street with the Baguio, London City. Representing from Samar with a vital statistics of 34, 24, and 34, 529, 20 years of age. From Global Madness, give it up for Miss Rhea Brigole. They're winning. You can buy your beads from all the girls that are wearing red shirts that are roaming around the area. It only costs for 100 pesos per strand of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Representing from city of Quezon with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 33, 4'8" in height, 22 years of age. Representing Del House Bar with a gold number of team. Once again, this is the only criteria for judging for this competitions. more beats they've got. The representing from the big land of Mega Manila with a battle statistics of 32, 24, and 34. 5'5" in height, gentleman, 30 years of age, Gambalan. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Beats are available from all the doors that are wearing red shirts. Thank you so much once again, candidate number 3, Benjamin Gambalan, representing Rock and Roll, representing from city of Bacolod, with a battle statistics of 32, 24, and 32. 4'9" in height, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Beats time! Statistics of 32, 23, and 33. 5'5" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 21 years of age. With a gold number 428 from Global Atlantis. Make some noise for Miss Ella Canilao!
Georgi, what number you like?
1, 2, 5, maybe more, I don't know.
And our good gentlemen,
1 to 5.
thank you so much once again, gentlemen, contestant number 5, Ella Canilao. Ladies and gentlemen, on our contestant number 6, 25 and 37. 5'2" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 26 years. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, with a gold number of T409, representing Dollhouse Bar. Make way for Gentlemen, it's Beats time. Thank you so much once again, Miss Emery Beretta. And here we go, another gentleman from our contestant number 7, representing from the Durian capital of the Philippines. I'm talking about Davao, with a vital statistics of 34, 24, and 34. 5'6" in height, 22 years of age, with a gold number of 760 from Global Atlantis. Give it up for Miss Cello Iyon. And to continue, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 8, representing from the Milkfish Capital of the Philippines. Now I'm talking about Pangasinan, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 32. 5'3" in height, 26 years of age, with a gold number of T555, representing Dollhouse Bar. Shows some love for Miss Dan Ginetta. And ladies and gentlemen, Miss Alexa Armanjon. That's what it was. That roaming around the area and only cost for you for 100 pesos per slice of beans and 5,000 pesos for the golden beans. Any more beans? And so continue, ladies and gentlemen, on our contestant number 10, representing from Pampanga with a final statistics of 36, 24 and 34, 5'7" in height, gentlemen of fresh, 90 years of age, with a gold number 583, representing Global Tennis. Give way for Miss Eliza Gonzalez. It's time! And as we say for the last gentleman, representing from the summer capital of the Philippines, and has a statistics of 36, 27, and 38. 5'7" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age, representing Dollhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Mia Guabao. We never know. That's just only for drinks. Maybe you can win their heart as well. Yes. How many over do you want, sir? I want drink over in front of me. Anyone higher than one drink? That can be offered to Miss Amari. Anyone? Don't two drinks? Now,
thank you for watching. Sorry, I cannot filming until 6 p.m. because my flight 7. So I will go to home now, only change clothes and go to airport, Clark Airport. Thank you for watching.